listen to 93.5, and everything come over it, and it sounds good to me. So I had this cramping pain, I always run and buy it. But my dear, I keep buying this thing, and they're not working. I have this pain from back home. It was not so bad, but coming here in America with the winter and stuff, it gets worse. When I'm walking, the pain don't feel so bad. But if I sit down, squeeze, I cannot get up. Once my leg rests on anything like a chair or so when I'm working, sometimes I'm having my lunch, I keep standing, walking. They always say, Girlie, why you want to sit down? I say, I don't want to sit down. I want the food go down my foot.
Wow.
But no one know that I was so badly in pain. You see, when I have that cramp, it just all up my foot them, and I cannot move, squeeze. I have to stay there until the pain go off. Even walking in rain and anywhere at all, it grabbed me. On the street, I have to just stay there and groan.
So that pain is in your legs? Where in your legs?
From across my back, down to my foot that put my shoes on.
Right. But let me ask you this. Before you even proceed in telling me about NuSpecies Body Systems Life, I always like to check in with every testimony that I do. Did you go and see a doctor about that pain?
Of course. I work in the health field.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yes.
And?
I'm a healthcare worker.
And then you went to see...
I have to see my doctor first.
So when you saw your doctor, what did they tell you?
They test it and they always give me pills. So I need calcium and this and all kind of things. And they test the blood and the blood is good because they take some each and every time. So they say they don't really know what's wrong, but they know that is the vein, something is wrong, and I must have plenty fruits. And I try to eat all the fruits that I can. So that I go to the bathroom most. I'm like a duck. Yes, true.
So
I'm like a duck. Like a duck, man. Because every minute I go to the bathroom, so I'm free with that.
So you started using NuSpecies Body Systems Life, and
listen to me. And you know, one evening I came in, and as I came in, so the radio was on, and I heard you was speaking of this new thing, this body thing, and it's rich, and it's called, and you cannot have life unless you're this and that. I say, another lie again. This is a money-making thing. I'm tired of it. I'm fed up of it. I'm not listening. I went to turn off the radio anyhow. Somebody called the phone. Pick up the phone and answer them. I didn't get to turn it off. It was in the evening anyway. And I said, I wonder if I try the thing. I said, no, I worry with it. The other day it was my day off. And I heard you be up in the evening speaking about this speeches. I said, all right. I'll go and try it. But Squeeze say, anytime I'm calling, anytime, just call the person anytime. And I speak to this man. His name was Aston. And he said to me, he cannot force me to try it, but if I want to, just try it anyhow. And if I feel better in 1 week, don't call him. But if it's 2 weeks, I can call him. I said, okay, I'm going to try it. And he let me know, and I sent it off to him. It came. One evening when I came in, I saw the box, and I picked up the box, and I went in, and I shake it up, and I take a little bit. I tried just a little teaspoon. I went to bed. The other morning when I wake up, Squeeze, they feel away. I say, I'm going to feel this way, and I wonder if this thing going to kill me or what. What the hell me come to this stuff? But anyway, it was a good feeling anyhow. I don't pay it any mind. The other day looking to feel that way, same way, but it wasn't. I keep taking it at night time when I'm going to my bed. As I come from work, I take it or something. If I'm not coming from work, I took the buckle in with me. All right? When I reach a week now, I'm feeling a little way. The foot them keep pumping, you know, and something beating, your heart beating. You say, oh, the foot them beating stuff. That's right. What's happening? When it reach a week and over, Squeeze, my 2 foot is a thing that I couldn't stretch out. I couldn't stretch them out at all. No exercise because it's pure pain. I keep cramping all the while. Cramping. If anybody have this muscle construct, they know what it is. So my body just contracting from my waist, go right down to my foot that put in shoes. But anyway, I still keep taking it and praying and wondering what will happen. And when it reach near to 2 weeks, I find out I'm not feeling that cramping. I can't step over anything. I said, wait. I coming down the train station. I said, what's going on? This thing look like it's good. But the amount of energy where I have now, Mr. Well, something else wrong with this thing. Because the amount of energy that me have like a young person. Me say this thing look like it good, man. But anyhow, me not praising it. Make me go and take it until me finish. And when me keep taking the thing, squeeze, believe me, I'm so excited about this thing. It is good. It is very, very good. I would tell anybody who is feeling sick, pain, or any kind of thing, try this thing. Because this drink is the best. The very, very best. Believe me, I'm telling you. I'm sitting here now. I'm not working because I lost my job right away. Mm-hmm. But I tell you, it touched the immune system. You can feel it. It touches sinus. You know the way it keeps draining. Mm-hmm. And your head feeling better. Mm-hmm. I could put my high-heel shoes on to go to church. Believe me. And it's a long time I don't wear high-heel shoes.
Wow.
I have to keep buying shorter heel shoes now. And I put on one of the long heel, them that when I step out the taxi, I say, is me this? I can't believe. And right now as you call me, I just have the foot them like that, sitting down in a hard chair and no pain. There's a little amount of pain on top of the leg that don't finish yet, you know? Mm-hmm. So I have to get another one to finish it up.
Wow.
But no contracting of any muscles again. Believe me, as God, I would not tell you any lie. This thing is very, very, very good. And whatsoever these people doing, they better keep doing it.
Got you.
Because
you're a tough client.
I tell you, man. I tell anybody about this thing. It's very, very good, I tell you.